Hello, this is my demonstration for the glucose transportation system. So we start at the GUT lumen. We receive glucose from consuming starches, foods, and our regular diet. Because there is a high concentration of glucose within the cell, you must have an active transport in order to move the glucose from the GUT lumen into the epithelial cell. In order for this to happen, the system uses a protein called SGLT1, which means sodium glucose cotransporter 1, in order to move the glucose and the sodium from the GUT lumen into the cell. Compared to SGL2, SGLT1 can only contribute 10% of glucose reabsorption. So now this is how it works. A glucose will connect to the SGL plus 1, and the Na, which is the sodium, will connect as well. ATP will be used and the sodium will decrease in its gradient. After, sodium and the glucose will be in the cell. However, the cell is now placed in a hypertonic solution, since there is a higher concentration of sodium within the cell compared to out. In order to fix this and set the cell in equilibrium, we have the 3 Na ions go into the NAK pump. After that, we connect it with ATP, so it has the phosphate part of the ATP. When this is connected to the pump, 3 sodium ions get out and 2 potassium ions go into the pump. When the phosphate branch is removed from the pump, the potassium ions get into the cell. When this happens, the process is repeated and it repeats. Overall, this is a active transport because there must be a usage of ATP throughout the entire transportation. Thank you for watching.